If you wish to have a different wallpaper on the lock screen and home screen on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, then in that case we can go to settings and we're gonna open wallpaper. Now you have the option to of course create a new set or pair of wallpapers, or you can customize the current option. So let's say I'm gonna stick with this one, and what I can do now is I can tap on the home screen over here in order to customize it. Next, we can tap on photo, for example. You can also choose color or gradient if you want to, and then if you choose again, you can choose the gradient or color that you wish to use. But let's say that we actually want to use a different wallpaper. So we're gonna tap on photo. By doing so, we can open the gallery and we can choose the photo from our gallery that we wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here that I got from the internet. We can of course slide left and right in order to choose a different effect over here. You can pinch in order to zoom in and zoom out, and we can change the position of the photo as well by using 2 fingers. And once you are ready, you should be able to tap on Done in the upper right corner. Also, over here in the bottom right corner, we have the depth effect that can be toggled at least sometimes. So we're gonna press Done in the upper right corner. It should be updated. Press Done again, and there we go. Now I have a different wallpaper in the home screen and a different wallpaper in the lock screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.